In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make your peanut butter paste or granite paste at home. Just look at that. I am someone who always believe in starting from scratch. Okay, yes, if you are not like that, it doesn't mean you are not good or anything bad. Okay, we are different people, but I always want to prepare everything at home or most of the things at home. Okay, so I made this at home and I always do. As I'm doing this voiceover, I'm even preparing another one today. So to start with it, I have my fresh peanut here. Okay, very clean already. Now I am outside, so in case you see any fly, please, it is normal. At home you also face that challenges. Don't come after me and then let it look as if I'm angel. Okay, we are the same. So before we start this blending or doing anything, we will just fetch some on in a tray. And as I talk to you, my oven is on at 350 Fahrenheit. I'll just put it in the oven, okay, and then wait for it. We all know when the peanut is ready or the granite is ready. Okay, so when it's ready in the oven, you should know. You should know that it is ready. Now there are so many ways you can fry your peanut. Okay, and this one is by oven or using the oven. You can as well use your air fryer to fry your peanut as well. I hope you get it. Now, so after using the oven or the air fryer, that will also give you perfect outcome. In case you don't have any of the two, what you will do is that you just fetch some of the peanuts in your cooking pot and then just fry it on your stove top, your coal pot top, and you are good to go. Another way you can fry your peanut in the cooking pot is that just add some sand in the cooking pot and then add your peanut and then fry it. You can as well fry this with your gari or cassava flakes, okay, in your cooking pot, and then you are good to go. After frying it, this is how it is supposed to be. It is supposed to be crunchy, not chewy. Okay, that shows that your peanut is ready. So now we are done with some of the badges and we will continue till we are done with everything. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy if you follow us for more videos. And if you've watched the video till this point, oh my goodness, thank you so much. It means you like what you are watching. Kindly like the video, share to others, and then leave me your comments in the comment section. This process, or where we have read, is we are trying to peel the skin. Okay, so just peel it like how you are seeing on the screen. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes here, and trust me, you will love it here. Yes, you will love it here. You will never regret subscribing. So subscribe for more videos. And my returning one, thank you for always spending some time with me. Lena is my name. Now let's continue. We will continue just like this till we are done peeling everything from the peanuts. Someone may ask, can I just blend it with the skin? I heard this when I was very little. Okay, when I was a kid, but I don't know how true it is. I don't know, but I believe it is true that when you blend it with the skin, you are not going to get a lot of oil. Okay, there will be no oil. So let's go this way. And I think if you blend it with the skin too, it is not going to be presentable as well. I think so, but I don't have any idea about that. But that is what I heard when I was a kid. That is why we are peeling the skin. That is what we came to meet. So after that, I just make sure I take all the chaff from it. Okay, by blowing it. So whilst I was taking care of the other ones in the oven, the little one also decided to continue with the process. Yes, sometimes make them busy because they can disturb Ankasa. She also did some. She was tired. She handed over to the grandma. The grandma also continued. Everybody must be involved because they will all eat some. Everyone will eat some, so you must work. The whole family is at work, so that is grandma to at the final stage, okay, making sure it looks so good. And just look at that, so neat and beautiful done. Now, to get the peanut butter, we just have to blend it, okay? Blend it very well, like how you are seeing on my screen, and oh my goodness, you are good to go. Some people prefer adding oil to the peanut before they blend. If you want to do it that way, you can go ahead and do it. I have tried it once, yes, and not that I'm speaking against anyone, but I did not like it. Maybe I did not do it well, okay? Sometimes if someone does something and you are trying and does not work for you, it does not mean the person was a liar or the person is a liar. You did not do it well, or you maybe you missed something. Do you get it? So there's no way I will speak against that, but it did not work for me, okay? It didn't work. If you add this thing to it, it will not blend smoothly, okay? But if you blend it like this without adding the oil, you get it perfect, just like how you get it in the market. So note this, do not add the oil to it, okay? It does not worth it as well, because the peanut contains oil already. Why would you waste your oil and then because of this? But just blend it and get it smooth. When you blend it like this, you may get it very light, okay? It will be watery, but if you allow it to stay on the shelves for some time, trust me, it will just become thicker, like the one in the market. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you soon. Bye.